to watch Oprah Winfrey not open that road up from Wheeler to Kalula, Hawaii, shows you how disgusting and how evil these billionaires are. Now I want y'all to take a look at this map. This red line is where people have to drive all the way around because she owned that little blue private road that'll help them get straight to higher grounds. When I tell y'all I have zero respect for Oprah Winfrey after this day, like I do not like her. And we know what you did in South Africa with them kids in that school. And I guarantee you, boy, my God will punish you. If you sit there and you let all these people get washed away and all these people come up harm, you should be charged with a crime and you ought to be sent to the penitentiary for the rest of your life, man. Hawaii, we gonna pray for y'all. And I hope y'all knock down whatever barricades they got and y'all drive right through her land. Nobody deserves to perish when y'all got a quicker way to get to higher grounds. Please, Hawaii, I'm telling y'all, do what y'all got to do to be able to cross that little blue line. She don't own nothing. Though my God owns this world. They don't own nothing.